The following video illustrates the kiosk box liner install instructions. Start by pulling the liner out of the value pack shipper box. There are three primary components of the kiosk box liner kit: the serialized return box, the serialized liner, and the absorbent pouch. The box and liner should have matching serial numbers. First, let's assemble the box by turning it upside down and gently pulling apart the middle of the flat box around 6 to 8 inches, exposing the two white double-stick foam adhesive liners. Remove the adhesive liners to expose the black foam adhesive. Next, fully open the box and flip it over. Once the box is flipped over, put the liner inside. You'll see plus signs at the bottom of the box, indicating the opposite side of the adhesive that is on the bottom outside of the box. Gently fold the side tabs so that the box will fit nicely inside the cabinet. Be sure not to rip the liner as you place it inside the box. Now, place the absorbent pouch inside the liner. Once that is done, you can simply place the box, liner, and absorbent pouch inside the cabinet as shown here, making the removal much easier.